Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Dot Exchange. An important announcement, I'll be coming to Chennai in the month of January, so planning a workshop. The date, venue, not decided. Of course, if you are interested, you can pre-register yourself. The contact numbers of our office is given in the description. Coming back to the market, finally it's a profit booking. What happened yesterday as well as the day before yesterday, that means of Friday? Bank Nifty moved higher and IT index was down. But in the second half of the trading session, IT index recovered. So that's why markets closed higher. The Friday, naturally bigger election results contributed to the positive tick, and that continued on Monday. But the global cues are dragging the market. Of course, we don't have to follow the global cues very strictly, and because when global markets went up, we did not go up. But when every market is falling, then definitely people will tend to book the profits. And that's what has happened. After hitting a fresh all-time high, Bank Nifty started correcting a little bit, and I think HDFC Bank closed at the lowest point of the day. Today, HDFC Bank was down, ICICI Bank was down, but despite that, Bank Nifty was higher in the morning, mainly because PSU banks are doing well. So this HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, they have the index rejig hangover. So that's likely to be there for some more time. Reliance Industries at some point of time recovered its entire losses, but it is the TCS and Infosys that fell in the morning, shot up in the afternoon. The last 1 hour, again, selling happened in these two stocks. So when Nasdaq is falling like 4%, 5%, very sharp correction in the last 1 or 2 years, and naturally the IT stocks will be struggling. The Bank Nifty, it is making an all-time high every day, but IT index, look at the TCS. It was 4,500 few months before, now struggling around 3,000. Look at Infosys, 2,000 few months before, now struggling around 1,500. So this IT stocks major dragger with TCS, with ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank also in a minor correction. So it is expected that market will come under the selling pressure. So remember, this year only 2 times Nifty closed above 26,000, and today once again it has gone down below 26,000. So bulls have 5 more trading sessions. Now, if not the 26,100, which is the swing high or this year high, at least Nifty should close about 26,000 for the bulls to continue to have some kind of optimism in December series. So markets are volatile, but it is still today it is still a range-bound market. So surprisingly, yesterday though Nifty moved higher, closed above 26,000. The people who sold 26,000 call option, so did not scare, so did not close the position. On the contrary, they closed they put 26,000 put option, converted that into straddle, and today they got a very good profit, or at least they got out without any loss. So anyway, yesterday was one of the best trading sessions, but today it is not really very bad, a little bit scare here and there. I also sold 25,800 put option, and I put stop loss at 20 rupees, and my stop loss got hit. Then, again it has gone to 0. So anyway, so I did not lose because I sold 25,800 as well as 26,200 call. That 200 call has gone to 0. Moreover, the 25,800, once my stop loss got hit, and I sold 25,700 put option for about 5 rupees. So there I got 5 rupees, 26,200 I got about 12 rupees, So finally, I still made profit, but, it's not a very good or impressive profit like what we made yesterday. So anyway, so this week is over. So we still have another 1 week, 5 trading sessions. So let us see what is going to happen. But I tell you, next 5 trading session going to be very, very volatile. Look at the US market, crazy market. I think Nasdaq has fallen nearly 6% just in a matter of few trading sessions. So economic data as well as NVIDIA results going to have a big impact because the sell-off started with a theme bubble in artificial intelligence stocks. So NVIDIA results, will continue to support that theory or will that be opposite. So that is on Wednesday night. That means Thursday morning in our market, that will be reflected. So US markets are falling continuously. Today for the 4th straight day, US futures are indicating lower opening. So right now this situation is such that, it's a good local cues, bad global cues. So in this case, the markets may continue to consolidate. The whole of September, Nifty was in consolidation mode between 25,500 and 26,100. And that's likely to continue. So one can have a bullish view only if 26,100 is taken out in the spot. And meanwhile, there are only 5 trading sessions. Because of that, the Nifty future premium has contracted. I think now the Nifty future premium is only 20-30 points. Right. However, next month future, it's having a decent premium of about 190 to 200 points premium over the current future. So although very short term markets are looking slightly bearish, but people are bullish about next 1 to 2 months, especially in the hope that there will be some trade agreement between India and US. Stock-wise, the weekly expiry is over. So stock-wise, we will discuss tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.